Hello everyone, today I'm going to read the first Biggie book. As you can see, it is 1. And also, when you get all the books, it'll make it like a kind of puzzle because you can see Gerald's ear. I have the second one. Today it's 5 stories. There are lots of stories and sometimes I laugh because sometimes the pigeon is in one of these. And this is, as you can see, there are 5 stories. We're just going to read 1 today. It's at page 3. Today I will fly. Today you will read. Today I will fly by Willems. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Look at him. He's crazy. This is my favorite part. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, fly, fly. You need help? Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. Dogs cannot walk. It's just like it's not really real. It's just a pretend one. You did not fly. I did not fly? You jumped. I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Oh, these mean like he's wiggling. That means, and commas mean like, not banana apple, banana comma apple. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. Look at her. That's a duck. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will help you. Thank you. Hello? Hello. You are flying. You're flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly, she can fly. I'm not flying. Of course, because look at that. That's a string tied to her. Let's see what they did. Oh! You are not flying? I'm getting help. Thank you for your help. She's waving. Tomorrow I will fly. I don't think people can pick her, but yeah. Good luck. They were both happy, but not Piggy. See, I like it because of pigeon. That is the end. Goodbye.